Hello guys and welcome to today's video. In today's video we're going to be going over some different type of stuff today. We're going to be going over some local weather because we definitely got some local impacts going on where closer to where I live. And I want my people in Florida to be safe from the ongoing flooding that some parts of East Central Florida are, feeling right now. Which I will go over those advisories here in a little bit. But first, we're going to take a look at the models here. We're probably just going to take a look at the GFS here because GFS has been pretty persistent on the setup of which we have right now. And as you can see the moisture field that is just sticking around in Florida for the next 6 to 12 hours. And we've already had a lot of rain where I live, so this is not going to help any situation whatsoever. Which like I said, we will go over total amounts for this current point in time a little bit later. As you can see, 12 hours. It kind of tapers off the 18-hour mark, but I bet it's still kind of raining there. So it starts to come back towards my area in about 24 hours, and then 30 hours, and then the front comes in, and then it's still raining 36 hours from now, and then after the 36-hour mark, it starts to clear out a little bit, as you guys can see, and the next cold front is expected to probably come in somewhere next weekend. So we gotta look forward to that and see how that progresses throughout the days leading up to that front. Which God forbids we need any more rain at this current point in time. I bet at this point parts of East Central Florida are above average in precipitation, and we're talking about the La Nina here. La Ninas are supposed to be dry and warm. We do got the warm. I mean, of course, we're not above average in temperatures, but we still got warm temperatures. Um, but the opposite is happening with the wet and dry patterns. Right now, the pattern is wet. But obviously, we know that now because of what's happening right now. So we're now going to take a look at the IR loop here, and as you can see, we're going to look right here in the East Central Florida here, and you can see this area is just training in the same locations for hours on end now, and that's not a very good setup at all. Just that small little speck of moisture right there is dumping copious amounts of rain, copious amounts of rain, and it's been leading to flash flood warnings and flooding on the roads, and that's just, and this is all associated with a cold front too, which is, it's weird to me because usually when cold fronts come through, they come from west to east, but the moisture batch is going from east to west. So, you know, I don't know if that's wind shear or what, but it's causing quite a commotion in that localized area for Floridians to deal with. All right, so here we are. We're taking a look at the Weather Channel here, and as you see, the next like hour is gonna be rain, rain, and nothing but rain. And as you can see, it's pretty much rain showers, light rain, few showers. Then we get a small break, and then back to showers, and then it clears out for Monday and Tuesday, or not Monday evening and Tuesday. So we still got another day and a half to deal with the effects of this rain event that's going on right now. All right, so we're gonna take a look at these flash flood warnings here, and as you can see, between 7.5 and 9.5 inches of rain have fallen just today. Today, and that's nuts. That's absolutely nuts. This is the amount of rain that you typically would see when a tropical system is coming through, not a cold front. Unless something like this happens and then one area of rain just trains in one spot. But most of the time, cold fronts come and go pretty quickly. This one is not in any rush to go anywhere. But yeah, 7.5 to 9.5 inches of rain. have fallen with an additional 1 to 2 inches of rain. So that, my friends, is 8.5 inches to 11.5 inches. My like when I saw this flash flood warning, and I had to take a look at it. I had to take a look, and the first time I took a look at it, it was 6 to 8 inches of rain that had fallen, and now we've now got this 7.5 to 9.5 inches of rain. So we're definitely getting into it pretty nicely here. All right, so here's another one. This is for an area probably a little bit farther from me. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 5 and 7 inches of rain have fallen in rural northwestern St. Lucie County. I live in the central St. Lucie County border, so this is for all the people in St. Lucie County right now. I'm giving you all as a heads up that there is flooding going on right now. And 3 to 5 inches has fallen in the Fort Pierce area. I'm about 30 minutes away from Fort Pierce. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 more inches are possible in the warned area. So there's just a lot of bad weather going on right now. So what now? Lastly, we're gonna take a look at the future cast. I like to call it the future cast. So we're gonna start this up and let's see. As you can see, we're in it pretty nicely right now, and as you can see, it just fills right back in a little bit later on, and we're gonna be in it for a while. See, look at how heavy that rain is near my area. Honestly, but I can see us picking up more than 1 or 2 inches of rain if that pans out. So, obviously, if anything big happens, I'll be here to, help you guys through it and all that kind of stuff. Anyways, I want to thank you guys for watching. Like I said, I will give another update if it warrants. This is a pretty serious situation. This isn't like your typical afternoon rain showers from the front that refuses to go anywhere. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day and be safe out there for my fellow Floridians.